Hello, this is Josh from BioAg, and today we're going to be putting together a top feed non-recirculating system, an automated watering system for your hobby garden at home. The main reason to set this up is if you got a full-time job and kids, there's not a lot of time left over for gardening. So this gives you the ability to water your plants and keep them alive while you're not there. Okay, start off with the tools list. We've got, you're gonna need a measuring tape, you need a marker to mark things down, PVC cutter, sharp knife, Teflon tape, PVC glue with primer. You're gonna need some hose for attaching your sprinklers. You're gonna need a set of sprinklers. Okay, and then we're gonna need a couple of sticks of Schedule 40 PVC. You're gonna need 4 elbows. You're going to need 2 threaded 3/4 inch PVC to 1/2 inch PVC tees. You're going to need 2 1-inch risers. You're going to need 2 1/2 inch threaded ball valves. You're going to need 1 4-way or 6-way garden hose manifold. You're going to need 1 inline filter, 1 3/4 inch inline ball valve, 2 3/4 inch slip to garden hose. You're going to need 1 garden hose cap. All right, that's all our parts. All right, putting together our manifold for top feeding. Make sure you measure twice and cut once. Make sure all of your PVC lengths are the same size if necessary. I like to always start on the feed side, putting my header together and work my way towards the end. Always put your PVC parts together before you glue them so you know that they will fit properly. Make sure that all threaded parts are covered in Teflon tape so they do not leak after you set everything up. With this setup, we've got 6 different joints that require Teflon tape. Make sure that your feed lines are the same length on each side of your square so that there is path of least resistance. And if you choose to add more later, you can. When cutting your line for each pot, make sure each line is the same length. If one is longer and one is shorter, path of least resistance, where it's easiest to flow, the water will go. There are lots of choices when it comes to hose, hard and soft. You know, that is personal choice. I like working with the soft, but the hard pipe works better outside in the heat of the sun. There are lots of different bubblers and sprayers to choose from. Choose one that will fit your container or choose one that is adjustable. The ones that I've chosen for this system are bubblers that are 365 degrees and are adjustable. There is a ball valve located beneath each 4-way junction, so you can shut that off and only run one or the other. Make sure all lines are pressed on over the lip of the end of the nipple, and so that there is no leaking when everything is turned on. This is much harder with hard pipe than soft pipe. Okay, here we go, feeding from the top. Make sure that you adjust your bubblers so they do not spray outside of your pot. And adjust your timing depending on the bubbler that you choose and the pot size that you're currently in. a simple top feed watering system. And this can be used with just about any soil, soilless mix, or hydroponic medium. The only difference is how often you feed your plants and the type of fertilizer you choose. Thank you for joining us at BioAg. Please leave any questions in the comment area. Thank you.